Okay, here's a brief video on a high voltage tester I built. I used an ordinary lighter and connected it up here so that I can get an output on a terminal here. I also have a low voltage there, that's just a tenth of that voltage. I don't use that, but maybe for in the future. And also have measuring output that gives out 1 volt for each kilovolt output here. The pulse that comes here is rather short, so about 7 kilovolt, could be higher depending, it's not an exact. I have these two connected here so that we can draw a spark between these pointy legs here. I set up the oscilloscope for single shot, so let's see if we can get a spark event here and see what happens. Okay, there was a spark, I saw it. And here's the pulse on the oscilloscope. It's set so that it actually calculates correctly now on kilovolts because the probe is times 1000. So this here is measured to 7 kilovolt, as you can see there. So it's a quite a sharp event. It's probably a bit more than 7 kilovolt because the oscilloscope clipped it there. But anyway, there you see, there is the pulse. Let's see how short it is. So it's about 2 microseconds, something like that. Yeah, half. Yeah. So the rise time is pretty. Or maybe it's just. So there is 1.5 to 2 microseconds of rise time. Yeah, so I'll use that to test high voltage transients on my transmitter to see what happens with it, and I'll give some more update then. Cheers.